Hello guys, welcome back to another Lightroom editing tutorial. To download my DNG file, please read the description box below. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will use this photo as an example. Let's begin. Profiles. Look for Vintage 2. And for the lights, exposure to -0.14. Contrast to 43. Highlights to -100. Shadows to 100. Whites to -21. Blacks to 16. Next is the curve. Color. Temperature to -5. Tint to -16. Vibrance to 7. Saturation to 5. Color mix. Red. Hue 11. Saturation -57. Luminance -22. Orange. Saturation -35. Luminance -18. Yellow. Hue -21. Saturation -21. Luminance -10. Green. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Luminance -32. Aqua. Hue 10. Saturation -100. Luminance -6. Blue. Hue 8. Saturation -37. Luminance -26. Purple. Hue, 100. Saturation -100. Luminance -25. Magenta. Saturation -5. Luminance -1. Effects, clarity to -10. Detail, sharpening to 104. Color noise reduction to 25. Split tone, highlights. Hue to 214. We're done. I hope you like it. Remember, if this preset does not fit your photo, make a little bit adjustments, maybe in light, color mix, until you get the right effect that you want. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next Lightroom editing tutorial. Bye.